This is kind of halfway through the session today, but just wanted to say there's going to be a lot of progress in the video because for episodes 1 and 2, I only played for about 2 hours, but ended up with around 2 hours of footage, and the editing took like 4 hours on those, which is just way too much. This one is the opposite. So far, I'm only halfway through the session, but I got 4 hours of gameplay done, and it's only worked out to 30 minutes of footage, which is great. So, I'll be able to make a lot more progress this episode, and just spend a lot less time editing. Which is doubly nice. Alright, so my plan is get car ASAP and then drive around, probably just putting satellites in the corners here. That's the plan. And then get trains and start mining farther out resources. Alright, player color. I like a nice pink. Actually, let's go blue this time. Okay, we got a car. We have some turrets and some ammo and a bunch of big electric poles and some radars. So the plan is to go to the edges here, clear out the biter nests. Hopefully, I definitely need more ammo than this. Let's just handcraft some. I'm burning up this steel. Alright, I should be able to handle this with just the car. Small one down. We are going to put a radar right here. Uh-oh. Things are getting broken. They broke some power poles. And some belts. Alright, well, I think I'm happy with this for now. Just took out the nearby bases. Maybe I'll put down one more satellite. It's northeast here. We'll do like a trifecta. Alright, there we go. We got sort of coverage with satellites. That's about it. This is like the most oil we're gonna get at the start. When I checked the spawn map, I think that was the closest oil. Not great. There should be copper nearby. That's one thing I did check. Alright, so I'm gonna do a thing here. Now that I'm upgrading to assembling machines 2, I don't need any of these ones. So I'm going to have this I'm gonna set this to a condition, an enable condition, that basically when there's less than like 2 of these in the box, it'll pull from the crafter. So this will drop down to 2. Okay, 2 steel, 5 gears, 3 circuits. It's a lot. That is a lot. And yeah, 2 steel. Let's go up to like 40 of these. The most I'll probably need. Awesome. Alright. Now we're just converting all these into assembler 2s. Oh, here we go. Oil processing. Mine crude oil. Alright, we've kind of got something of a main belt over here. Pipes now. So there's belts, pipes, steel, circuits, copper. I can probably mix inserters with the copper here as well. Actually, I don't think I need stronger explosives right now. I'm going to cool it on the science for the moment and let our pollution kind of drop down. I think that means there's a biter nest there, does it not? I want to check that out. Yep. That does mean there's a biter nest. Are there any other places like that? That's probably just the trees. That is also just the trees. Also trees. I never put turrets here. Oh my god. Shoot. Ah! Brutal. Okay. I knew there weren't turrets here earlier too. Cool. Well, that's one way to do it. Alright. We got a military science set up here. Made some grenades. All the proper calculations to ensure this is going at about 1 science per second. I'm gonna get a lot of research from this. Sweet. Yeah, I'm trying a different strategy today where I do a lot of work and then just record the big milestones. Instead of like recording 2 hours, I'll record like maybe 5 minutes every hour. Being able to put filters on everything is really nice. It's just so nice. Now I can make a belt of steel and sticks just like that. Make that so much easier. I just realized how close I actually placed these pump jacks to potential threats. So I put down a lot of turrets. I didn't want to go and grab walls. So yeah, there's that. I'm gonna grab walls now though, now that the turrets are up. Right, there's that. I turned the cam back on too. We should be getting attacks pretty soon based on the proximity of these. Although the pump jacks did turn off. Since I am not working with the oil just yet. Alright, so I've just done a bunch of math here. to check how many resources I'll need for 1 chem pack per second. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna walk through everything, but basically 1 chem pack per second requires this much. Half a sulfur, 1.5 advanced circuit, and we can see right, yeah, here's the chem science pack. So if I'm making 1 chem science pack per second, and the recipe for this is 2 to 1. So if I only need 1, that's half a sulfur, 1.5 circuits, 1 engine per second. So that's the calculation. 1 chemical science pack per second is that much of these other things per second. Then I basically just calculated how much I need for one of each of these other things per second. And then multiplied that by whatever I need. So for advanced circuits, it's 8 machines, but I need 1.5 per second. So I need 12 machines. I had to multiply that by 1.5. So we got the total here. It's going to take a lot. It's going to take 12 iron per second, which is almost a full belt. But that's counting this 1 steel. So 7 iron plus 1 steel per second. So basically, I'm going to need a full belt of iron and a half belt of copper to really get this started. And I don't think I can just take from my main, because already like these are running out of resources. Okay, so I think I'm ready to, my plan is to take these nodes, coal, iron, and copper, and turn those into like production facilities for the science. We'll probably craft everything up here, and then just make like, maybe we'll just make a little train to take it to the science setup. That'd be cool. I don't think I've ever really used science on a train before. Wow, there's copper on an island. Okay, so yeah, that's the plan. Here, I'll show. We had a Squid Coder show me how to do this like rail planning method. Very cool stuff. So if I hold control, look at that. Oh, apparently control moves. Wait, no, that's just regular. So yeah, I can plan rails just like that. Look at how simple that is. Awesome. Very cool. So we'll do that right there. Boom. 200 rails. Luckily I have 600. I should probably take a car for this though. Oh. Oh. I already messed up. So I guess the turns are... I just need logistics robots, and then they'll automatically place these. Wow. Ah. Oh my goodness, that's so annoying. Ah, I did it again. Here we go. Wow. That was easy. This is nice. Alright. We got the skeleton of the main station set up. All our rails going all around. We got Iron 1 station, Copper 1 station. I left this as the default. The Incredible Nothing. Very aptly named. Maybe I'll just leave that empty for the whole game. Alright, so yeah. Next thing, placing stations. Where are drills at? Right here. That's it. That's all we need for now. Should be one small belt. Oh, whoops. Nice. I guess we'll just make this the iron train. So, iron 1, weight condition, should it be full cargo? Sure. Add station, iron depot, until empty cargo. I need to add fuel too. I'm thinking, should I wait until this is full fuel? No, it's fine. If it empties the entire cargo inventory, that's plenty of time to add fuel. Automatic. Just skip right to Iron Depot. I gotta go here ASAP. I gotta place turrets and probably a radar also before this shit gets attacked. Alright. The iron is protected. These train signals look so cool in the dark. All green. Whee! So cool. Going back to the mall for a second to grab some train stops. Well, I did it again. On my private train I was using for personal transport, I attached a cargo thing to, and now I guess it's the gold train. I should split this to like guarantee the train gets a bit of coal. Cool. Alright. Iron down. Gold down. Oh, I could have put the satellite just a bit closer to see what the biter's doing. Whoa, what is that pathing? No, cancel, cancel. I gotta make a... Gonna change this up. This was connecting down here. So I changed the connection to be up top. So the train, if we enter and go, the train will be a little closer. Yeah. See, that path works. Cool. Alright. There's our coal station. I believe I can do this. Yeah. Cool. So we'll just do that for each train so they can fuel up while they're waiting. Sweet. Oh, so they kind of get funneled up there. Oh shit! Ah, that's me! Okay, we gotta move these. Look at these guys. They're like, okay, that last attack didn't work. But maybe next time. Maybe if we build up more people, we get some medium biters instead of the small biters, our attack will work. They can't hold off forever. Alright, these biter attacks are happening way too frequently, and I'm worried about the evolution factor from killing biters constantly as well. So I'll just do that. Sweet. Now, I must be the copper. Oh. I couldn't be the copper. I gotta put a satellite here so I can see what's going on too. Wait, what's up with this? Red light. Hold on, that's not supposed to happen. This is green, so why is this red? Oh, that's why. It was directly connected to the next coal block. Okay, cool. Look at that, beautiful! Now time to finally make all the furnaces and everything. Actually, do I? So, looks like 64 furnaces. I'm gonna make 48 iron furnaces just to be safe. So, 72? 72 furnaces? Cool. Sounds good to me. Okay. So this is going to be our basic, our little block to copy and paste. Little black blueprint. This is 8. For half a belt, it requires 24 furnaces, and a full belt requires 48. So yeah, this is 8. So 3 of these blocks for half a belt, 6 blocks for full belt. Easy peasy. Might as well make this the copper one. Oh my goodness, it's just so annoying because this doesn't even help me that much. This is, I'm gonna have to do two of these for iron, because I'm gonna split the belt. It's gonna be a half belt of input. What is this? Two entities being damaged? Frick! Oh no, they're attacking the other side. Oh, I didn't put turrets on that side! Emergency! They're just gonna go ham on that too. There's no turrets anywhere near there. Can I go? What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Freaking manual, please. Before every drill gets destroyed. Alright, only 3 drills got destroyed. It was a small attack. There are so many nests out there. Are you kidding me? Well, we're gonna postpone the recording of crafting while the defenses get fortified. Okay. This should be enough, right? That is a massive amount of biters up there, though. Alright. There it goes. Bunch of iron. Whole lot of iron. 48 furnaces. 1 belt of iron. Sweet. Now I only need a half belt of copper for this. So far. For now. Alright, there's all the copper we need. Big infrastructure. Alright, so since this also requires 1 steel per second, it's technically half a belt of iron and 1 belt of, or 1 single piece of steel per second. So, here's the steel. It takes 16 seconds to craft 1 steel, so I've just placed 16 furnaces. This gives 1 steel per second. It seems so simple now compared to what I've built. After having to automate these oil refineries that take 5 ingredients, 3 is a cakewalk. Okay, we need 14 machines. Alright. It should be 1 engine per second. Which sounds right, since none of these has produced a single engine yet. Whee! Okay. Engines done. Now I need advanced circuits and sulfur, and that... Alright, there are the 3 circuits. Now we need 12 advanced machines. Nice. Ooh-wee. Our first red circuits. And how many? The final thing. How many chem packs? 16 machines. Oh, that's it. That's not that many. There it is. Okay, are we gonna use a train for this? I feel like that would be overkill. I can get there in like almost the number of belts I have. Wow. We have just enough. We got there with 13 to spare. Wow. This is a nice, nice little save here. What do we got? Playtime 8 hours, 50 minutes, 9-hour save. Alright, there it is. I kind of just waited for advanced oil processing. What do we got? 100 crude. This also takes 100 crude. This is just so much more efficient. Alright, I've created 2 iron trains. I'm gonna test out right now if this buffer works properly. So our train is waiting, and we do have a blue light, which means one or more tracks are open. So if any other extra trains come in, they'll wait here. And let's just test, it's going back. And we are good to go. Let's test the copper leaving. And now this signal changes to blue, signaling that if a train was waiting here, there is one option. Blue means like, depending on where the train needs to go, it will go through. I kind of want to see this be a full belt for a second. Like that. Just want to... I want to see it being a full belt, you know? Because it doesn't look like it from there. Okay. This is probably more efficient, though. Alright. So when heavy oil is above 20,000, we'll convert some into light oil. Light oil is above 20,000, then we do the same thing. We convert it, crack it to petroleum. Okay. I got a thing producing lubricant here, and we're gonna go with until lubricant's over 3K. So enable while lubricant is less than 3K. Oh, that's a cool animation. Oh shit! What the heck? Okay, looks like I need to put some turrets or find out where those spiders came from. I don't actually have turrets right now. Can I even kill this spider nest? Like, without... without anything? We'll try it. Solo V biter nest. Oh, nice. Okay, I got all the spitters. That's the most dangerous thing. Can these stop, like, investigating? I'll put the one turret here. See if it can hold the line. I'll do that. Alright, I'm calling it there. Hard stop for today. I think we're getting enough scale where next episode, our next session, the plan will be get robots, logistic robots, and create a perimeter around here. Now we've reached a large enough scale where individually reinforcing all these different spots is gonna cost way more than just creating a big perimeter. But I'm not gonna make the perimeter until I have logistics, because that's just way too many walls. Oh yeah, how's the ammo looking here? Solid. No problems with the copper, actually. Cool. Now I gotta edit this. Not too bad though. Well, GG's. GG's.